6. So let's have a look what we've got planned. We had quite a few people, about 7 people, not show up for work on Friday, which is today that I'm filming it. There are a few important things you need to get done from Friday, which is including your writing and the maths task. So if you were one of those people, unfortunately, you've got a bit of extra work to do today because you really need to do Friday's maths and you really need to be working on that writing. That writing is going to be a task that comes up a few times. So unfortunately, it was a bad day to take off in the sense that you've got quite a bit you need to catch up on. So please make sure you do that. Obviously, finish today's work first, unless, of course, it links in through with what's going on. Now, this week, Mrs. Walker and myself are both at school on Wednesday, which means we can't do a Zoom while we're at school. So instead of having today's whole grade Zoom, we're going to do Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday as our small group Zooms because we're finding they have been much more beneficial. So today, with Mrs. Walker, you have the 10 students you can see there on the screen. Please make sure you attend. And nice, as you can see here, we've got our 3 teachers because Mrs. Corkill has been helping out. She's been doing our maths for us. She's done a great job, and I think we've got her starting to do English as well. So nice, lucky her. Today's focus is history for Monday for marking. So have a look what you can see there. It's all the same. Our Zoom is only for those 10 students. Obviously, you can come if you have questions. Here are our day's students. Monday and Thursday with Mrs. Walker. Tuesday, Friday with me. You can see who you got drawn with. It is super important you come to a Zoom during the week. If you can't make it, you're sick that day, something's happened, pop into one of the other day Zooms. Don't just not come to a Zoom for that week. Next week, we are actually both at school on the Monday as well. So Tuesday through to Friday in week 7, we'll likely have our small group and no whole grade Zoom again. I want you to bring a joke to share and an interesting story this week. So that should be fun. A joke to share and an interesting story. If you are Zooming today, you don't have long, so start thinking. All right, check in. Please do it. I had lots forget, so I don't know what's happened on Friday today. Well-being check. Hopefully you're feeling good. Say the prayer to yourself, please. Reading. Make connections, okay? What is happening in the world that links to your story? What is happening, something to yourself, and something with another story. It's important to think of it. Don't just do a basic, quick task done. It's actually there for a reason. Writing. Okay, listen to the audio. Explanation. This is our body part of our text. Last week we looked at explanation text and you started applying the structure to your how it is made or how it works task. You should have finished your general statement and introduction. So this is what I'm talking about. If you didn't do the Friday's task, you need to go back and do this as well. If you haven't done this, you'll need to finish this today. Today we're moving on our explanation paragraphs. Okay. Our explanation paragraphs provide the information about why or how something works or happens. These must be in sequential order. Sequential meaning the order that they occur. You should not be jumping all over the spot. We're going to focus on the why or purpose of your chosen topic. You should have completed your research document on Thursday. So on this there is a column called why. What is its purpose or function? Okay. So if I go back here on our Thursday task, so go back here. This is our Thursday task called explanation research. I was just actually looking through the students and all bar 2 of my class had done it. So I'll just open up Gabe's because he did a great job. How a BMX works and how it's made. So have a look through there, and this is what we're talking about. So it's purpose and function. Okay. Now you're going to need to expand for a body paragraph. So there's your ideas. So you're going to need to expand it. Today we'll be writing a paragraph using this information. So open up your research document, which you'll find on the next slide. So here, next slide. your research document, your slides template. So everything from those earlier ones will be there. You can find on the next slide. Write a paragraph explaining the purpose of your chosen topic in the box that is paragraph 1. So this was Thursday's work. This was Friday's work. If you haven't done them, you've got catching up to do, because it's going to go for all week and I don't want to see these completely blank. So you need to be catching up. All right? Because remember, this is already week 6 of a whole term. You can't just not do writing, guys. It's super important. Zoom for our 10 people. It's with Mrs. Walker, so obviously use Mrs. Walker's link. Mathematics. We're going on to area, and that's why it was important Friday you did the fractions and decimals assessment form, so we can see how you went throughout the topic. So go back if you didn't do it on Friday and finish it, please. What is the area of each classroom? Information here. Which classroom has the largest area? Simple. Switching on your brains. Pre-assessment. What is area? This is so we can do a hot maths test so that when we come and actually make up the lessons, we know what you know, what we need to focus on. Listen to the audio and have a go, please. Inferencing. Okay, SOS. So we've been working through our writing cards. This is the first one in the middle level cards, which I think is a bit pretty much the level for most people, and it's going quite interesting. So answer the 7 questions there. On the lines, which is literally found in the text. Between the lines is inferencing. Beyond the lines is actually thinking ahead. So let's start using our brains. You can see the spaces. They're going to require more information. Before I go on to grammar, our code word. I've been noticing a lot of secret double agents. They're not signing in. We're worried that they're not telling us the information. They mustn't know what's going on. Today's code word is bus. Bus is today's code word. All right, grammar. Okay, I decided to add circles here to make your life easier. So your job would be to grab the circle and drag it, I think because is spelt wrong, and put it there. I'll let you know if because isn't spelt wrong, it's correct. Capital letter, 3 blue ones. There, I'll do one for you. Drag and drop. Okay, that makes your life easier. 2 commas, 1 exclamation mark. I put them in order here. So you put it on there first before you write it, so you write it correctly. Okay. Feast of the Assumption. 15th of August. My computer's lagging now. Don't know why, it's not clicking to the next slide. Here we go. Sign of the cross. You got audio here to follow. I believe this has been made by Miss Sartor for Kinder through to Year 6. So the audio is all the way through, so you just need to listen. This will be a song, obviously. Oh, come on, computer. Alright, have a think back. Last week, Jesus told us that God will provide all that we need to live. God does not want us to worry about life. Jesus tells us to trust in God completely. St. Mary of the Cross and the Sister St. Joseph are great examples of this. Alright, listen to the information. Follow your way through. Quote of the week. A sign appeared in heaven, a woman clothed with a sun, with the moon under her feet and a crown of stars on her head. Okay. Oh, come on, computer. Alright. Answer the 3 questions in the boxes provided. Oh, what's wrong with my computer? Okay. Come on. Alright, primary scripture. Read the scripture. It's got audio if you just want to listen to it. Reflect on the scripture. Oh, come on, computer. It skipped a slide. Here we go. The Gospel Challenge. Your challenge for this week is to be like Mary and say yes to God's plan for you. Do the right thing. Prayers for the faithful. Okay, I want you to work through each of the slides and listen to them. For some reason, my computer is lagging massively. There is no tasks here other than write down, so I'll just jump to the task. What is the assumption of Mary? 6 to 10 VIPs. Okay. Make sure you do that, please. Alright, history. Smart people would be jumping ahead, filling in what they know is going to be the marking task for the day. So please make sure that you're getting the marking task done. Watch the video, answer the questions. Progressive. Would you rather see British or US influence in Australia? Okay. Support your reasoning. Interesting topic. Task 2. Use the information below and record it in a table on the next slide. What is similar? What is different? Okay. There should be multiple points. And reflection. I'm not sure why my computer is struggling. Please fill this in. Guys, great job. Make sure you're getting through. I'm enjoying telling our story, so please send it through. Oh, gosh, what's my computer just done? I'm going to stop this video because my computer seems to be struggling. Peace out. See you guys all when I see you.